Hi, this is my Seagate drive 1 TB, and what happened is the rear USB socket was broken down, and as you can see, it's right there. And what I had to do was to open this up, and these are the notches. They are very hard to find and they will break, and some of them have broken up, but it will make easy for you so you know where they are. Inside there is a box, metal box, and that metal box contains the regular SATA drive. It's a regular SATA drive, and then there is a controller to that. This is the controller, that's the input, and that's the place where USB socket was fixed on the small board, main board. It's called main board by Raptor. As you can see, I don't know how far clearly you can see that it's by Raptor. 3.5-inch main board, V2R1. So my soldering iron is hot. What I'm gonna do is try to put this like that. The copper cladding has also broken down, as you can see right from here. So what I will have to do is to solder it back and make it better. Alright, so this thing fell down. This is how it's gonna be. This is how it's gonna be. Align those with this one and then solder it, and we'll do the testing in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.